The SOLIDWORKS Advanced Part Modeling course is key for unlocking the advanced features and functionality of the core SOLIDWORKS program to create models with complex geometry. This course will instruct best practices to use advanced tools such as sweeps, lofts, and boundaries to enable designs that may not be possible with basic extrudes and cuts. Practice advanced techniques to expand design capabilities, productivity, and efficiency by leveraging Boolean operations with multibody parts and splitting them into assemblies. Go in depth and learn equation-driven, projected, and composite curves to create a helix. Learn other advanced tools to analyze complex geometry with curvature display, zebra stripes, and more. Every training course includes case studies and lessons that are followed by structured time to practice. This ensures new techniques solidify while it's fresh. Focus on becoming a highly skilled and efficient part modeler, and get the most out of your tools by investing in expert-level SOLIDWORKS training.